AKA's Dynamics Advantage for Asset Management video series. Trip planning.
Let's say your wholesaler is planning a trip to Boston to visit a client who's at risk, or perhaps a prospect who's ready to close. It clearly makes sense to use that time to see other prospects and clients in the same area. But with dozens or hundreds of people and organizations to choose from, how's that decision made? Ideally, reps will visit clients or prospects that present the best opportunities, but being human, we might not choose so wisely. We often go with those we already know or who we like. It's just human nature to want to meet with someone who's more fun and maybe a little less challenging. With AI and machine learning helping make those decisions, we get much greater objectivity. By using data and facts, we get less subjectivity, and it helps guide reps to make the most of their trip to Boston. It helps us focus on the shorter list of clients or prospects that have the most potential. So let's see how AI and machine learning work with planning trips to see existing clients, prospects, or advisors. Very simple. Click on my little mapping button here. And since I'm going to this particular location, it's going to show that information on my map. So right away, this little icon represents the location that I'm going to. So let's use that as our starting point. Now, I want to see what other clients are nearby based upon their ranking. So I'm going to say within a 15-mile radius, I want to see those customers that are active, and I want to base that off of their account rating. So it'll give me highest to lowest account ratings within that radius. So we're going to go ahead and search, and now it's processing and looking through that data and information. And again, AI has provided the detail and data behind these ratings so that I know which one of these have the higher propensity to close more business. So we can see we've got a number of those records here. If I want to hover over those, we can see it'll tell me more details about those. And I can certainly click on these and it'll take me to the details of those. But let's just go ahead and I'm going to add a few of these to a route. So as I click on these, we're going to just go ahead and pick some at random here, because these are all the best opportunities. So at this point, I then have the ability to use my own knowledge to go ahead and choose those ones that make sense from a visitation perspective. Okay. So now I've selected the ones that I think that I can visit all in that day, and now it's going to optimize that data and optimize that route, even including access to local construction and routing conditions or traffic conditions. So you can see here, this is where it's plotted. Even though I didn't pick these in this order, this is the best order that it feels that it's going to make sure I hit all of those clients. So be sure to check out our other videos in this series.